name is Courtney, and I'm a physical therapist and multiple sclerosis certified specialist with Can-Do MS. If you're looking to strengthen your core, I suggest a countertop plank. Planks are great at strengthening all parts of the core, the front, the sides, and the back. Improving your core strength can help with balance and makes most physical activities easier to do. So let's plank. Using a table, a countertop, or a similar height bed, we're going to face our structure with our hands just below our shoulders. In this position, step your feet back so that you're making a straight line with your body. We want to avoid sagging at the hips or lifting. So find that straight line and hold. Here, your core muscles are engaged and you are engaging in isometric strengthening of the core. This is a plank. Two options from this position are tapping the alternating shoulders, which provides some weight shift through the upper body. Another option is to extend each leg, lifting it behind you. This is working the posterior hip muscles while we engage the core. Timing these exercises for 30 seconds to 1 minute or more if you're able is really the goal in strengthening our core. There are your countertop planking options. More to come with floor planks.